Hello, and welcome to Accountant's Desktop. Thanks for taking a few minutes to watch this tour. In the next few minutes, I'll show you around the website and introduce you to the resources available to help make your practice more efficient. At the end of the tour, I encourage you to click the samples link at the top of our homepage and register under Try Out Accountant's Desktop. You'll be able to explore part of the site and download several of our most popular Excel calculations, free to use in your practice. Let's get started. Accountant's Desktop is an online resource designed specifically for accountants in public practice. Since 2008, we've been helping firms save time by providing practical resources that can be used every day. Our members have access to Excel calculation templates, comprehensive work papers, forms and checklists, client letters and template invoices, tax rates and thresholds, links to ATO and other professional resources, and summaries of recent ATO emails to practitioners. Everything is designed to be practical, up-to-date, and easy to access while you're working. This is the members' homepage. The site has been designed to remain open in the background throughout your day, giving you quick access to the resources you use most often. In the centre of the page, you'll find details of the latest updates to the site. Below that is our Practice Reminders section, highlighting important ATO lodgement dates, payment due dates, and other key compliance deadlines. On the right-hand side, you'll find a summary of the latest ATO emails sent to practitioners, each linked to the full article. All emails can be accessed via a dedicated page, the link for which is in the main menu. Further down are quick links to commonly used ATO information and other professional resources. You'll also find links to current tax return forms and instructions, together with a handy collection of key tax rates and thresholds, ideal when you need a quick answer during a client meeting or phone call. The Calculations module contains our extensive collection of Excel workbooks. On the menu at About each workbook, you can see detailed information explaining what each calculator does and how it can be used. Below that, you'll find About using Excel, which is devoted to getting the most from Excel, with practical tips and guidance for using our calculators. Calculations are organised by financial year, with archived workbooks available all the way back to 2007. For each year, you'll first see our job paper collection, which is our all-in-one working paper solution designed for specific job types. And below our job papers, there's a full list of all other calculations for that year. Looking further down on the menu, you'll find our more specialised calculations. These include several budgets and financial projections, 2 business valuation calculators, a Division 7A loan calculator, and a wide range of financial calculators. The Forms module provides access to a wide variety of practice documents. Where appropriate, you'll find links directly to official ATO forms. For documents we've developed ourselves, you can download either PDF or Microsoft Word versions, allowing you to customize them to suit your firm's requirements. Our template invoices include suggested wording that you can simply copy and paste into your own invoices or adapt to suit your existing practice templates. The Letters module contains a comprehensive library of client correspondence. The main Letters page contains a summary of all available letters listed under various topics. Each letter includes a brief description, the date it was last reviewed, any recommended attachments, and the 2 ways to use it. You can either copy the text directly into your own document or download the Microsoft Word version for further editing. Our library is a carefully maintained collection of links, primarily to ATO resources, covering topics that accountants in public practice use regularly. The Rates module contains an extensive database of Australian tax rates and thresholds covering many years. It's designed to provide quick answers whenever you need them. Finally, our Websites section brings together links to professional websites that accountants commonly use in practice. Thank you for taking the time to tour Accountant's Desktop. If you'd like to experience the site for yourself, Don't forget to visit the samples page and download several of our Excel calculations free of charge. If you have any questions or would like further information, please feel free to contact us using the details shown on screen. We look forward to welcoming you as a member of Accountants Desktop.